Okay, let's do it on
four on three. One, two, three, four.
Come in. Yeah, that's nice.
Look at it when you do it.
Grateful you two found each other. You both seem to lift each other up and take things in life from average to great together. And I wish you both the best of life together. So proud of both of you.
Natalie and Hunter, we love you both. Congratulations. And Hunter, welcome to the family.
Oh, you know what you can say at the end of tonight?
What?
My wife.
We'll follow the light down the longest road and the darkest night. We'll make it home, though our hands are tied and our feet are warm. We'll follow the light.
Thank you, Hunter. Thank you, Natalie, Glenn and Becky, Steve. Thank you for your continued friendship.
I'm just so excited to have another daughter in the family, and I'm just blessed that you guys are both so happy.
I, Hunter, take you, Natalie, to be my lawfully wedded wife,
To have and to hold, for better or for worse,
for richer or poorer,
in sickness and in health.
to love and to cherish from this day forward, for as long as we both shall live.
Stop crying.
You look amazing. It's like an angel in the mountains here.
Did you see Hunter crying the whole time?
Go enjoy it. Enjoy
Let's
it.
go. Where are we going now? Oh, we have to go take pictures.
In the honesty and sincerity of what you have said and done here today, it is my honor and delight to declare you husband and wife. Hunter, you may kiss your bride.
I said,